So today's main deity is the Divine Mother. Divine Mother is that infinite or universal, most awakened, highest intelligence or consciousness. Right? That reality, that absolute, we can say Brahman, principle, Divine Mother, manifests in various forms. So when we talk about Lalita Sahasranama or Lalita, so who is this Lalita? Lalita Maha Tripura Sundari. And when we talk about Sri Suktam, which goddess come into your mind? Write in your chat box, unmute and share. Can you unmute yourself? Mahalakshmi, that's correct. So, what is the difference between these two energies? Have you given a thought about it? So, Lalita Mahatripura Sundari is that universal consciousness full of grace, beauty, bliss, and her grace, her blessings, her fullness, her completeness manifests, as I have said, in different aspects or different forms. So also Lakshmi or Mahalakshmi is her greatest manifestation. How that, in our everyday life, how this blessing, how her grace can manifest in our, nourishment, in prosperity, in abundance, in good health, in good, family, in good wealth. So wealth is just one of the aspect of her prosperity. Correct? So we are trying to invoke both the principle at the same time. Isn't it powerful? Isn't it beautiful? So that divine consciousness, the ultimate principle, manifests in Mahalakshmi or Lakshmi. So whenever you visualize the picture of Mahalakshmi, where Mahalakshmi is sitting? In lotus. Correct? You will always visualize elephants around her, or the pots full of coins and wealth and prosperity. So that signifies all the auspiciousness, all the good things, positive things, and we need that while sustaining this life. But the very essence of this sustenance or the life is Ma Lalita Tripura Sundari. So mainly in Vedic traditions or in most households, Mahalakshmi is worshipped. But those who are on spiritual path, those who are seekers, will worship both, but mainly the tantric tradition will have one of the Dasha Mahavidyas is Lalita Mahatripura Sundari. Okay? So with this short introduction, we are going to begin today's session. So first we will start with her 1000 names. Now you have to not consider them as just the names, okay? But whenever we are chanting these names, try to become one with it. You yourself is Lalitama. There is no difference between you and her. because her very much principle exists within all of us. Okay, so with this understanding, we will start Lalita Sahasranama. It comes in Brahmanda Puran, and there is a story behind Lalita Mahatripuri's birth, or not birth is the wrong word, the manifestation or coming into this form. You can read that story, very interesting story. And she basically came from the fire. Okay, so the first verse itself explains how she came. So what was it? Shri Mata Shri Maharadni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Deva Karya Samudyata. In order to fulfill the different gods' purpose, she came into being. From where? From the Chidagni. What is that Chidagni? Chit is the consciousness. From the fire of the consciousness, she came. Alright? And so there is a story like Agastya Muni. He is the greatest worshipper. Agastya, Rishi Agastya, and his wife Lopamudra. So this couple worshipped Lalita Mahatripura Sundari, and that's why even in path of Sri Vidya, they have a very important place. In gurus, we remember the whole lineage of divine gurus or gurus in human form, and Agastya Muni and Lopamudra, they are the highest devotees of Ma Lalita. So let's start. Sit comfortably wherever you are. Keep your video on, please, and close your eyes. We are going to begin with the invocation mantra with Goddess, first Lord Ganesha and Goddess Saraswati. So adopt Chin Mudra, place them on your legs, close your eyes. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Ganana Antva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrunvannotibhis Sidasadanam Mahaganapataye Namaha. Prano Devi Saraswati Vajebhirvajinivati Dhinam Vitryavatu Ano Divo Bruhataf Parvatada Saraswati Yajata Gantu Yajñam Havan Devi Jujushana Ghritachi Shagman No Vachamushati Shrunotu Vagdevyai Namaha. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In front of your closed eyes, visualize the Divya Vigraha, the beautiful form of Ma Lalita Tripura Sundari. Her complexion is fair but with a reddish tint. like the color of the sky at the time of sunrise, the reddish orange color. The bright, radiant form, the golden form, holding the sugarcane bow in her hand, Pasha and Ankusha, and also the Pushpabana, the flower arrows. Her eyes are twinkling with immense compassion, love for her devotees. The beautiful smiling face, and we all are doing her worship, her sadhana, to align our energies with her, to seek her blessings and divine grace. Now gently brush your palms on each other. Place them on your eyes. Give a gentle massage all over your face, neck and shoulders, arms, your whole body. Let her energy spread throughout your being. And slowly open your eyes. So if you know the stotra, you can chant along with me. Otherwise, you can just follow the script, listen to the names, or simply sit into the meditative pose and do dhyana on each and every beautiful name of hers. So here we start. Asya Shri Lalita Sahasranama Stotramala Mantrasya Vashinyadivag Devatarushayah Anushtup Chandaha Shri Lalita Parameshwari Devata Shrimad Bhavakuteti Bijam Madhyakuteti Shaktihi Shaktikuteti Kilakam Shri Lalita Mahatripura Sundari Prasada Siddhidwara Chintita Falavapyartham or Vapyarthe Jape Viniyogaha. We will take just first Dhyanam Shloka. Sindhuraruna Vigrahan Trinayanam Manikya Mauli Sfurata Taranayaka Shekharam Smitamukhi Mapina Vakshoruham Panibhyamalipurna Ratna Chashakam Raktotpalam Bibhratim Saumyam Ratna Ghatastarata Charanam Dhyayet Paramambikam. Now before we start her names, if you can do along with me. So there is the Nyasa. Why we do this Nyasa? So that each and every mantra and the deity herself is placed in our body, and this is called as Anganyasa. Okay, so if your videos are on, I can see how you're doing this. You're going to simply move your fingers like this. Aim Angushtabhyam Namaha. Okay, क्लीं तर्जनीभ्यां नमः सौः मध्यमाभ्यां नमः ऐं अनामिकाभ्यां नमः क्लीं कनिष्ठिकाभ्यां नमः. So what we are doing, we are just moving fingers from each, like thumb. Yes, Lina. You want to ask anything? No. Okay. So we will repeat this. Aim Angushtabhyam Namaha Klim Tarjanibhyam Namaha Sauha Madhyamabhyam Namaha Aim Anamikabhyam Namaha Klim Kanishthikabhyam Namaha Sauha Karatala Karaprushtabhyam Namaha. Now put your hands on your Hridaya. Aim Hridayaya Namaha Klim Shirase Swaha Sauha Shikhayai Vashata. Aim on your shoulders. Kavachaya Hum Klim Netratrayaya Vaushata on your eyes and at Ajna Chakra. Okay? Klim Netratrayaya Vaushata. Now you have to put these two fingers together and you have to do this. Okay? Sauha Asraya Fat. Sauha Asraya Fat. Now you are going to do this. Okay, the snapping of your fingers. Bhur Bhuvasuvaro iti digbandhaha. So from all directions, what we have done, now we have locked ourselves into this energy of Ma Lalita. Okay, so this is called as Anganyasa. Not necessarily every time we are putting, like, there is Deepam, Dhupam I have put here, but we can also do Manasika Puja. Nowadays, no one has so much of time, to keep the image or idol and then do many rituals. So, we can also do Manasika Puja. How? Lam Prithivyaatmikayai. You have to just close your eyes and mentally you have to offer everything to her. Lam Prithivyaatmikayai Gandham Samarpayami. Ham Akashatmikayai Pushnami Samarpayami. Yam Vayavvatmikayai Dhupamagrapayami. Ram Agnatmikayai Deepam Darshayami. Vam Amrutatmikayai Amrutam Mahanevedyam Nivedayami. Sam Sarvatmikayai Sarvopachara Pujam Samarpayami. So with your closed eyes, mentally we have offered Dhupa, Deepa, Nevedyam, Gandham, Pushpam, and our whole being. That is the most important part. We are offering our own self to the lotus feet of Ma Lalita. Surrender. So we are going to chant her 1,000 names with complete devotion and total surrender. And now slowly open your eyes and let's begin. Om Shri Mata Shri Maharadni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता उद्यद्भानुसहस्राभा चतुर्बाहुसमन्विता रागस्वरूपपाषाढ्या क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला मनोरूपेक्षुकोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारूणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला चम्पकाशोकपुन्नाग सौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता. The first few verses are explaining her beautiful form. अष्टमी चन्द्रविभ्राज दलिकस्थलशोभिता मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभ मृगनाभिविशेषका वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्य गृहतोरणचिल्लिका वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह चलन्मीनाभलोचना. How are her eyes? नवचम्पकपुष्पाभ नासादण्डविराजिता. She is wearing the beautiful nathani. Okay. ताराकान्तितिरस्कारी नासाभरणभासुरा कदम्बमञ्जरी क्लुप्त कर्णपूरमनोहरा ताटङ्कयुगलीभूत तपनोडुपमण्डला पद्मरागशिलादर्श परिभावी कपोलभूः नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारीरदनच्छदा शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकार द्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला कर्पूरवीटिकामोद समाकर्षी दिगन्तरा निजसल्लापमाधुर्य विनिर्भत्सितकच्छपी मन्दस्मितप्रभापूरमज्जत्कामेशमानसा अनाकलितसादृश्य चिबुकश्रीविराजिता कामेशबद्धमाङ्गल्य सूत्रशोभितकन्धरा. What we say, Mangala Sutra, she is wearing that. कनकाङ्गदकेयूर कमनीयभुजान्विता रत्नग्रैवेयचिन्ताकलोलमुक्ता फलान्विता कामेश्वरप्रेमरत्नमणिप्रतिपणस्तनी नाभ्यालवालरोमाली लताफलकुचद्वयी लक्षरोमलताधारता समुन्नेयमध्यमा स्तनभारदलन्मध्यपट्टबन्धवलित्रया अरुणारुणकौसुम्भवस्त्रभास्वतकटीतटी रत्नकिङ्किणिकारम्य रशनादामभूषिता. She is in a beautiful red orange sari, and whenever she walks, those bells or kinkina, those ghungru bells, that madhura swara comes. Okay. कामेशज्ञातसौभाग्य मार्दवोरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्यमुकुटाकार जानुद्वयविराजिता इन्द्रगोपपरिक्षिप्त स्मरतूणाभजङ्घिका गूढगुल्फाकूर्मपृष्ठ जयिष्णुप्रपदान्विता नखदीधिति सञ्छन्न नमज्जनतमो गुणा पदद्वयप्रभाजाल पराकृतसरोरुहा सिञ्जानमणिमञ्जीरमण्डितश्रीपदाम्बुजा मरालीमन्दगमना महालावण्यशेवधिः. How is her walk? Like the beautiful, how the elephant walks beautifully with grace. That is Mandagamana. Sarvaruna navadyangi sarvabharana bhushita Shivakameshwarankastha Shiva swadhina vallabha Sumeru madhya shrungastha Shriman nagaranaika चिंतामणि गृहांतस्था पंच ब्रह्मासनस्थिता. Now from here, where she stays, her nagara is Shriman Nagara, and Chintamani, that beautiful jewel, like her house is full of Chintamani gem. So that is her house in Pancha Brahma Sanasthita. Mahapadmatavi Samstha Kadamba Vanavasini. Around her house there is the forest of Kadamba trees. Sudha Sagara Madhyastha Kamakshi Kamadayini. Devarshi Gana Sanghata Stuyamanatma Vaibhava. Bhandasuravadhodyukta Shakti Sena Samanvita. She has the full army of all yoginis, Shakti Sena, and she is the leader of the Shakti Sena. Sampatkari Samarudha Sindhuravraja Sevita. Ashwarudha Dhishtitashva Koti Koti Bhiravruta. She is Arudha on the chariot, right? As a leader of her Shakti Sena. Chakraraja Ratharudha Sarva Yudha Parishkruta. Geya Chakra Ratharudha Mantrini Parisevita. Now she has two, what we can say, the Dandanatha and Mantrini, right? So they are on the chariot of Geya Chakra and Kiri Chakra. So the Varahi and Matangi, these are the two yoginis or goddesses on her right and left as commander in chief, and the leaders or just below her, but they are leading that Shakti Sena. So Matangi and Varahi, these are the two important goddesses. Chakraraja Ratharudha Sarva Yudha Parishkruta. Geya Chakra Ratharudha Mantrini Parisevita. So Mantrini is Matangi. Kiri Chakra Ratharudha Dandanatha Puraskruta. Jwala Malinika Shipta Vanhi Prakara Madhyaga. That is Varahi. Bhanda Sainya Vadhodyukta Shakti Vikrama Harshita. Nitya Parakramaatopa Nirikshana Samutsuka. Bhanda Putra Vadhodyukta Bala Vikramanandita. Mantrinyamba Virachita Vishanga Vadhatoshita. They are doing Vadha of Bhanda Putra Vadhodyukta. And why Lalita Mahatripura Sundari is called as a Shodashi? Because she is always young. So she is 16-year-old goddess, beautiful, young, but also she has another form which is 9-year-old, and that is called as Bala Tripura Sundari. She is 9-year-old and 16-year-old. Okay. Vishukra Prana Harana Varahi Virya Nandita. Kameshwara Mukhaloka Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara. Just by her thoughts, she has given birth to Lord Ganesha. Okay? Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara. Mahaganesha Nirbhinna Vigna Yantra Praharshita. Bhanda Surendra Nirmukta Shastra Pratyastra Varshini. Karanguli Nakhotpanna Narayana Dashakritihi. Just from her nail, all the Dasha Avatara, the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu has come from where? Just from her nail. Right? Karanguli Nakhotpanna Narayana Dashakritihi. Mahapashu Patastragni Nirdagdhasura Sainika. Kameshwarastra Nirdagdha Sabandhasura Shunyaka. ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र महेन्द्रादि देव संस्तुत वैभवा हर नेत्राग्नि संदग्ध काम संजीवनौषधिः श्रीमद्वाग्भवकूटैक स्वरूप मुख पंकजा. Now there are Vagbhava Kuta. So if we consider her whole form, there are three kutas: the upper, middle and lower. The upper kuta is Vagbhava Kuta, then Madhya Kuta, all right, and then Shakti Kuta. So these are the three parts of her form. कंठाधक्कटिपर्यन्त मध्यकूटस्वरूपिणी शक्तिकूटैकतापन्न कट्यधोभागधारिणी. So the first part is her face, then from kantha to the navel is her madhyakuta, and from kati bhaga, from hip downwards, it is shakti kuta. मूल मंत्रात्मिका मूल कूटत्रय कलेवरा कुलामृतैक रसिका कुल संकेत पालिनी. You must have heard the Kaula Parampara. You know, she is again the head of Kaula Parampara. Kulangana kulantastha kaulini kula yogini. Even every kula, every family has Kula Devi, right? All Kula Devis, you know, she represents those Kula Devi. Okay. Kulangana kulantastha kaulini kula yogini akula samayantastha samayachara tatpara. So there are different paths of her worship: samayachara, Dakshinachara, Vamachara, Kulachara or Kaulachara. So this is one of the Achara, Samayachara Tatpara. Mooladharaika Nilaya Brahma Granthi Vibhedini. At Mooladhara Chakra, what is that knot is Brahma Granthi. When a sadhaka does her worship, all these knots open up. Like the chakras get pierced when the Kundalini Shakti ascends. So she keep on piercing all the Granthis, Brahma Granthi, Vishnu Granthi, Rudra Granthi at different chakras. Mooladharaika Nilaya Brahma Granthi Vibhedini Manipuranta Rudita Vishnu Granthi Vibhedini Ajna Chakrantaralastha Rudra Granthi Vibhedini Sahasrarambujarudha Sudha Sarabhivarshini. So once she become one with the Shiva, Sudha Sara, you know, that devotee does what he drinks is the Sudha, the Amruta. Tadillata Samaruche Shat Chakropari Samsthita. In all the Shat Chakras, she is established. Mahasaktih Kundalini Bisantantu Taniyasi Bhavani Bhavanagamya Bhavaranya Kutharika Bhadra Priya Bhadramurtir Bhakta Saubhagyadaini Bhakti Priya Bhakti Gamya Bhakti Vasya Bhayapaha Shambhavi Sharadaradhya Sharvani Sharmadaini Shankari Shrikari Sadhvi Sharat Chandra Nibhanana Shatodari Shantimati Niradhara Niranjana Nirlepa Nirmala Nitya Nirakara Nirakula Nirguna Nishkala Shanta Nishkama Nirupaplava Nitya Mukta Nirvikara Nishprapancha Nirashraya Nitya Shuddha Nitya Buddha Niravadya Nirantara निष्कारणा निष्कलंका निरुपाधिर्निरीश्वरा निरागारागमथनी निर्मदा मदनाशिनी निश्चिन्ता निरहंकारा निर्मोहा मोहनाशिनी निर्ममा ममता हन्त्री निष्पापा पापनाशिनी निष्क्रोधा क्रोधशमनी निर्लोभा लोभनाशिनी निस्संशया संशयग्नि निर्भवा भवनाशिनी निर्विकल्पा निराबाधा निर्भेदा भेदनाशिनी निर्नाशा मृत्युमथनी निष्क्रिया निष्परिग्रहा निस्तुला नीलचिकुरा निरपाया निरत्यया दुर्लभा दुर्गमा दुर्गा दुःखहन्त्री सुखप्रदा दुष्टदूरा दुराचार शमनी दोषवर्जिता सर्वज्ञा सान्द्रकरुणा समानाधिकवर्जिता सर्वशक्तिमयी सर्वमङ्गला सद्गतिप्रदा सर्वेश्वरी सर्वमयी सर्वमन्त्रस्वरूपिणी सर्वयन्त्रात्मिका सर्वतन्त्ररूपा मनोन्मनी माहेश्वरी महादेवी महालक्ष्मीर्मृडप्रिया. So she is worshipped through the yantra which is called as Shri Chakra. Sarva Yantratmika Sarva Tantra Rupa Manonmani. So all the tantras, all the paths of tantra will lead to her. Maharupa Mahapuja Mahapatakanashini Mahamaya Mahasattva Mahashaktir Maharatihi Mahabhoga Mahaishwarya Mahavirya Mahabala Mahabuddhir Mahasiddhir Mahayogeshwareshwari Mahatantra Mahamantra Mahayantra Mahasana Mahayagakramaradhya Mahabhairava Pujita Maheshwara Mahakalpa Mahatandava Sakshini Mahakamesha Mahishi Mahatripura Sundari. When the whole universe dissolves at the time of Pralaya, and when Mahadeva, Mahashiva, does his Tandava, Mahatandava Sakshini, she is still there because she is eternal. She is witnessing Mahatandava. Chatushashtupacharadhya Chatushashtikalaamayi Mahachatushashtikoti Yogini Ganasevita Manuvidya Chandravidya Chandra Mandala Madhyaga. Who is at the center of moon is Lalita Mahatripura Sundari. Chandra Mandala Madhyaga. Charu Rupa Charu Hasa Charu Chandra Kaladhara Chara Chara Jagannatha Chakra Rajaniketana Parvati Padma Nayana Padma Raga Samaprabha Pancha Pretasanasina Pancha Brahmaswarupini Chinmayi Paramananda Vijnana Ghanarupini. So on what Simhasana she is sitting, the Simhasana's legs are none other than Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha, and also two other deities are there who is supporting her Simhasana, and on that Simhasana she is residing. Dhyana Dhyatru Dhyeya Rupa Dharma Dharma Vivarjita Vishwarupa Jagarini Swapanti Tejasatmika Supta Prajnatmika Turya Sarvavastha Vivarjita. In Jagruta, Swapna and Sushupti, all the states of consciousness, Ma Lalita's presence is there, and also the fourth state, that is transcendental state, तुर्यावस्था सर्वावस्था विवर्जिता. सृष्टिकर्त्री ब्रह्मरूपा गोप्त्री गोविंदरूपिणी. We have to be, how we can see oneness in all the deities. Govindarupini. Who is Govinda? Lord Vishnu. So there is no difference between Lord Vishnu and her. They are one. Right? Samharini Rudra Rupa. Who does the Samhara? Lord Mahesha. So she is also in Rudra Rupa. Tirodhana Karishwari. We all know the creation, sustenance and dissolution. Correct? These three things happen in cycle. But we are not aware when the universe is created, sustained and dissolved. In that whole process, who does the Tirodhana? When we are created, we forget our true self. So this Mahamaya, this illusion does creates that layer of ignorance in every creature, every human being. Samharini Rudra Rupa Tirodhana Karishwari. And then what happens? With her sadhana, Sadashivanugrahada, she only grants the Mahadeva's grace so that the individual becomes one with the Shiva state. Okay? It is very interesting to know. You can start the worship of Lord Vishnu or Shiva and they will bring you to the worship of Devi, and only by Devi Upasana you again become one with Lord Shiva. So this is like, they are taking one to each other, but without this or that our sadhana is incomplete. Sadashivanugrahada panchakritya parayana. Now Bhanu Mandala, even at the center of sun, she resides. Bhanu Mandala Madhyastha Bhairavi Bhagamalini. Padmasana Bhagavati Padmanabha Sahodari. Unmesha Nimishotpanna Vipanna Bhuvanavali. Just by blinking her eyes, just by her one blink, she creates the universe, she dissolves the universe. And like that, infinite numbers of universes are created, sustained and dissolved just by blink of her eye. Unmesha Nimishotpanna Vipanna Bhuvanavali. Sahasra Shirsha Vadana Sahasrakshi Sahasrapat. Abrahma Kita Janani Varnashrama Vidhaini. Nijadnya Rupa Nigama Punya Punya Falaprada. Shruti Simanta Sinduri Kruta Padabjadhulika. Sakalagama Sandoha Shukti Samputa Muktika. Purushartha Prada Purna Bhogini Bhuvaneshwari. Ambikanadi Nidhana Hari Brahmendra Sevita. Narayani Nadarupa Nama Rupa Vivarjita. Hringari Hrimati Hridya Heyo Padeya Varjita. Raja Rajarchita Radni Ramya Rajiva Lochana. Ranjani Ramani Rasya Ranat Kinkini Mekhala. Rama Rakendu Vadana Rati Rupa Rati Priya. Rakshakari Rakshasagni Rama Ramana Lampata. Kamya Kamakala Rupa Kadamba Kusuma Priya. Kalyani Jagati Kanda Karuna Rasa Sagara. Kalavati Kalalapa Kanta Kadambari Priya. Varada Vamanayana Varuni Madavihwala. Vishwadhika Veda Vedya Vindhyachala Nivasini. Vidhatri Veda Janani Vishnu Maya Vilasini. क्षेत्रस्वरूपा क्षेत्रेशी क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञपालिनी क्षयवृद्धि विनिर्मुक्ता क्षेत्रपालसमर्चिता विजया विमला वन्द्या वन्दारूजनवत्सला वाग्वादिनी वामकेशी वह्निमण्डलवासिनी भक्तिमत्कल्पलतिका पशुपाशविमोचिनी संवृता शेषपाषण्डा सदाचारप्रवर्तिका तापत्रयाग्निसन्तप्त समाह्लादनचन्द्रिका तरुणी तापसाराध्या तनुमध्या तमोपहा चितिसत्तत्पदलक्षार्था चिदेकरसरूपिणी स्वात्मानन्दलवीभूत ब्रह्माद्यानन्दसन्ततिः परा प्रत्यक्षितीरूपा पश्यन्ती परदेवता मध्यमा वैखरीरूपा भक्तमानसहंसिका. So Vaikhari, Madhyama, these are all the different types of speech. In all these speeches, she resides. Para and Pashyanti. Kameshwara Prananadi Krutadnya Kama Pujita Shrungara Rasa Sampurna Jaya Jalandhara Sthita Odyana Pitha Nilaya Bindu Mandala Vasini रहो यागक्रमाराध्या रहस्तर्पणतर्पिता सद्यः प्रसादिनी विश्वसाक्षिणी साक्षिवर्जिता षडङ्गदेवतायुक्ता षड्गुण्यपरिपूरिता नित्यक्लिन्ना निरुपमा निर्वाणसुखदायिनी नित्या षोडशिकारूपा श्रीकण्ठार्धशरीरिणी प्रभावती प्रभारूपा प्रसिद्धा परमेश्वरी मूलप्रकृतिरव्यक्ता व्यक्ता व्यक्तस्वरूपिणी व्यापिनी विविधाकारा विद्या विद्यास्वरूपिणी महाकामेश नयन कुमुदाह्लादकौमुदी भक्तहार्दतमो भेद भानुमद्भानुसन्ततिः शिवदूती शिवाराध्या शिवमूर्तिः शिवङ्करी शिवप्रिया शिवपरा शिष्टेष्टा शिष्टपूजिता अप्रमेया स्वप्रकाशा मनोवाचामगोचरा शक्तिस् ओके शक्तिस् चेतनारूपा जडशक्तिर्जडात्मिका गायत्री व्याहृतिः सन्ध्या द्विजवृन्दनिषेविता तत्त्वासना तत्त्वमयी पञ्चकोशान्तरस्थिता निस्सीममहिमा नित्य यौवना मदशालिनी. So our existence is at 5 koshas: Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya and Anandamaya. So in all Panchakoshas she is residing. Madaghurnita Raktakshi Madapatala Gandabhuhu Chandanadrava Digdhangi Champeya Kusuma Priya Kushala Komalakara Kurukulla Kuleshwari कुलकुण्डालया कौल मार्गतत्परसेविता कुमारगणनाथाम्बा तुष्टिः पुष्टिर्मतिर्धृतिः शान्तिस्वस्तिमती कान्तिर्नन्दिनी विघ्ननाशिनी तेजोवती त्रिनयना लोलाक्षी कामरूपिणी मालिनी हंसिनी माता मलयाचलवासिनी सुमुखी नलिनी शुभ्रशोभना सुरनायिका कालकण्ठी कान्तिमती क्षोभिणी सूक्ष्मरूपिणी वज्रेश्वरी वामदेवी वयोवस्था विवर्जिता सिद्धेश्वरी सिद्धविद्या सिद्धमाता यशस्विनी विशुद्धि चक्र निलया रक्तवर्णा त्रिलोचना खट्वांगादि प्रहरणा वदनैकसमन्विता पायसान्न प्रिया त्वक्स्था पशुलोकभयङ्करी अमृतादि महाशक्ति संवृता डाकिनीश्वरी अनाहताब्जनिलया श्यामा भावदनद्वया दंष्ट्रोज्ज्वलाक्षमालादिधरा रुधिरसंस्थिता कालरात्र्याब्दिशक्त्यौघवृता स्निग्धौदनप्रिया महावीरेन्द्रवरदा राकिण्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी. So at every chakra in different forms like Dakini, Shakini, Rakini, Lakini, she is present with different colors, different ayudhas, and in what parts of our body she also resides, that is these verses are explaining. मणिपूराब्ज निलया वदनत्रय संयुता वज्रादिकायुधोपेता डामर्याधिभिरावृता रक्तवर्णा मांसनिष्ठा गुडान्न प्रीतमानसा समस्त भक्त सुखदा लाकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी स्वाधिष्ठानाम्बुजगता चतुर्वक्त्र मनोहरा शूलाद्यायुध संपन्ना पीतवर्णातिगर्विता मेदो निष्ठा मधुप्रीता बन्धिन्यादि समन्विता दद्धन्यासक्त हृदया काकिनी रूपधारिणी मूलाधाराम्बुजारूढा पंचवक्त्रास्थि संस्थिता अंकुशादिप्रहरणा वरदादिनिषेविता मुद्गौदनासक्तचित्ता साकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी आज्ञाचक्राब्जनिलया शुक्लवर्णा षडानना मज्जा संस्था हंसवती मुख्य शक्ति समन्विता. So what is Majja Samstha? Our spinal cord. What is the Mukhya Shakti? Like a Hamsavati. She resides as a Kundalini Shakti. Haridranaika Rasika Hakini Rupadharini Sahastradala Padmastha Sarva Varnopashobhita सर्वायुधधरा शुक्ल संस्थिता सर्वतोमुखी सर्वौदनप्रीतचित्ता याकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी स्वाहा स्वधामतिर्मेधा श्रुतिस्मृतिरनुत्तमा पुण्यकीर्तिः पुण्यलभ्या पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तना पुलोमजार्चिता बन्धमोचनी बन्धुरालका विमर्शरूपिणी विद्या वियदादि जगत्प्रसूः सर्वव्याधि प्रशमनी सर्वमृत्युनिवारिणी. So there is a light, and because of light there is a reflection. So whenever we see our own reflection in the mirror, that reflection is also her. What is Vimarsha Rupini? The reflection. Right? अग्रगण्या चिन्त्य रूपा कलिकल्मषनाशिनी कात्यायनी कालहन्त्री कमलाक्ष निषेविता ताम्बूलपूरितमुखी दाडिमी कुसुमप्रभा. The betel leaf, tambula, we all eat after meals. She also keeps that in her mouth, between her teeth. मृगाक्षी मोहिनी मुख्या मृडानी मित्ररूपिणी नित्यतृप्ता भक्तनिधिर्नियन्त्री निखिलेश्वरी मैत्र्यादिवासनालभ्या महाप्रलयसाक्षिणी पराशक्तिः परानिष्ठा प्रज्ञानघनरूपिणी माध्वीपानालसामत्ता मातृका वर्णरूपिणी. What are मातृका? All the syllables, vowels and consonants, swaras and vyanjanas, they are called as matruka. and in every syllable, ka, kha, ga, gha, ga, ta, tha, da, dha, na, every syllable she is reciting. Matruka varna rupini. महाकैलास निलया मृणाल मृदुदोर्लता महनीया दयामूर्तिर्महासाम्राज्यशालिनी आत्मविद्या महाविद्या श्रीविद्या कामसेविता श्रीषोडशाक्षरी विद्या त्रिकूटा कामकोटिका. Her highest vidya of her worship is Shri Vidya. And because she is Shodashi mantra, a devotee when reaches that stage, he receives or he or she initiates from the Guru into the Shodashi mantra, Shodashakshari mantra. Okay? कटाक्ष किंकरी भूत कमला कोटि सेविता शिरस्थिता चंद्रनिभा भालस्थेन्द्र धनुप्रभा हृदयस्थार विप्रख्या त्रिकोणांतर दीपिका दाक्षायणी दैत्यहंत्री दक्ष यज्ञ विनाशिनी. This story you all must read. Daksha, the Prajapati Daksha, he started with a yajna, and because he didn't invite his son-in-law, that is Mahadeva, Goddess Parvati felt insulted and she jumped into that fire, into that yajna, and that's why it is called as Daksha Yajna Vinashini. Darandolita Dirghakshi Darahasojwalanmukhi गुरुमूर्तिर गुणनिधिर गोमाता गुहजन्म भूः देवेशी दण्डनीतिस्था दहराकाशरूपिणी प्रतिपन्मुख्यराकान्त तिथिमण्डलपूजिता. Now why it is important, Paurnima, Amavasya and all the tithis? Because she resides in all the tithis, all the phases of the moon. Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, Navami, all we see, the different phases, the sizes of moon. How that is happening? With her power. She resides. So full moon, right now she is in her full form. Pratipan Mukhya Rakanta Tithi Mandala Pujita कलात्मिका कलानाथा काव्यालाप विनोदिनी सचामर रमावाणी सव्य दक्षिण सेविता आदिशक्ति रमेयात्मा परमा पावना कृतिः अनेक कोटि ब्रह्मांड जननी दिव्य विग्रहा क्लिंकारी केवला गुह्या कैवल्यपददायिनी त्रिपुरा त्रिजगद्वन्द्या त्रिमूर्तिस्त्रिदशेश्वरी त्र्यक्षरी दिव्यगन्धाढ्या सिन्दूरतिलकाञ्चिता उमा शैलेन्द्रतनया गौरी गन्धर्वसेविता विश्वगर्भा स्वर्णगर्भा वरदा वागधीश्वरी ध्यानगम्या परिच्छेद्या ज्ञानदा ज्ञानविग्रहा सर्ववेदांत संवेद्या सत्यानंद स्वरूपिणी लोपा मुद्रार्चिता लीला क्लुप्त ब्रह्मांड मंडला अदृश्यादृश्य रहिता विज्ञात्री वेद्यवर्जिता योगिनी योगदा योग्या योगानंदा युगंधरा इच्छा शक्ति ज्ञान शक्ति क्रिया शक्ति स्वरूपिणी सर्वाधारा सुप्रतिष्ठा सदसद्रूपधारिणी अष्टमूर्ति रजा जैत्री लोकयात्रा विधायिनी एकाकिनी भूबरूपा निर्द्वैता द्वैतवर्जिता अन्नदा वसुधा वृद्धा ब्रह्मात्मैकस्वरूपिणी बृहती ब्राह्मणी ब्राह्मी ब्रह्मानंदा बलिप्रदा भाषा रूपा बृहत्सेना भावा भाव विवर्जिता सुखाराध्या शुभकरी शोभना सुलभा गतिः राजराजेश्वरी राज्यदायिनी राज्यवल्लभा राजकृपा राजपीठ निवेशित निजाश्रिता राज्यलक्ष्मीः कोशनाथा चतुरङ्गबलेश्वरी साम्राज्यदायिनी सत्यसन्धा सागरमेखला दीक्षिता दैत्यशमनी सर्वलोकवशङ्करी सर्वार्थदात्री सावित्री सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी देशकालापरिच्छिन्ना सर्वगा सर्वमोहिनी सरस्वती शास्त्रमयी गुहाम्बा गुह्यरूपिणी सर्वोपाधिविनिर्मुक्ता सदाशिवपतिव्रता सम्प्रदायेश्वरी साध्वी गुरुमण्डलरूपिणी कुलोत्तीर्णा भगाराध्या माया मधुमती मही गणाम्बा गुह्यकाराध्या कोमलांगी गुरुप्रिया स्वतंत्रा सर्वतन्त्रेशी दक्षिणामूर्तिरूपिणी सनकादि समाराध्या शिवज्ञानप्रदायिनी चित्कलानन्दकलिका प्रेमरूपा प्रियङ्करी नामपारायणप्रीता नन्दिविद्या नटेश्वरी मिथ्या जगदधिष्ठाना मुक्तिदा मुक्तिरूपिणी लास्यप्रिया लयकरी लज्जारम्भा दिवन्दिता भवदावसुधावृष्टिः पापारण्यदवानला दौर्भाग्यतूलवातूला जराध्वान्तरविप्रभा भाग्याब्धि चन्द्रिका भक्त चित्तकेकी घना घना रोगपर्वतदम्भोलिर्मृत्युदारुकुठारिका महेश्वरी महाकाली महाग्रासा महाशना अपर्णा चण्डिका चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषूदिनी. All the Dasha Mahavidyas manifest from Mahakali. So Mahakali, Tara, Tripura Sundari and so on. There are 10 goddesses of Dasha Mahavidya. So there is no difference between Mahakali and Lalita Tripura Sundari. Ksharatmika Sarva Lokeshi Vishwadharini Trivargadatri Subhaga Triambaka Trigunatmika स्वर्गापवर्गदा शुद्धा जपा पुष्पनिभाकृतिः ओजोवती द्युतिधरा यज्ञरूपा प्रियव्रता दुराराध्या दुराधर्षा पाटली कुसुमप्रिया महती मेरुनिलया मन्दारकुसुमप्रिया विराराध्या विराड्रूपा विरजा विश्वतोमुखी प्रत्यग्रूपा पराकाशा प्राणदा प्राणरूपिणी मार्तण्ड भैरवाराध्या मन्त्रिणी न्यस्तराज्यधूः त्रिपुरेशी जयत्सेना निस्त्रैगुण्या परापरा सत्यज्ञानानन्दरूपा सामरस्य परायणा कपर्दिनी कलामाला कामधुक्कामरूपिणी कलानिधिः काव्यकला रसज्ञा रसशेवधिः पुष्टा पुरातना पूज्या पुष्करा पुष्करेक्षणा परञ्ज्योतिः परन्धाम परमाणुः परात्परा पाशहस्ता पाशहन्त्री परमन्त्रविभेदिनी मूर्ता मूर्ता नित्यतृप्ता मुनिमानसहंसिका सत्यव्रता सत्यरूपा सर्वान्तर्यामिनी सती ब्रह्माणी ब्रह्मजननी बहुरूपा बुधार्चिता प्रसवित्री प्रचण्डाज्ञा प्रतिष्ठा प्रकटाकृतिः प्राणेश्वरी प्राणदात्री पञ्चाशत्पीठरूपिणी पृशुङ्खला विविक्तस्था वीरमाता वियत्प्रसूः मुकुन्दा मुक्तिनिलया मूलविग्रहरूपिणी भावज्ञा भवरोगग्नी भवचक्रप्रवर्तिनी छन्दस्सारा शास्त्रसारा मन्त्रसारा तलोदरी उदारकीर्तिरुद्दाम वैभवावर्णरूपिणी जन्म मृत्युजरा तप्त जनविश्रान्तिदायिनी सर्वोपनिषदुद्घुष्टा शान्त्यतीतकलात्मिका गम्भीरा गगनान्तस्था गर्विता गानलोलुपा कल्पनारहिता काष्ठा कान्ता कान्तार्धविग्रहा कार्यकारणनिर्मुक्ता कामकेलितरङ्गिता कनत्कनकताटङ्का लीला विग्रहधारिणी अजाक्षयविनिर्मुक्ता मुग्धा क्षिप्रप्रसादिनी अन्तर्मुखसमाराध्या बहिर्मुखसुदुर्लभा त्रयी त्रिवर्गनिलया त्रिस्था त्रिपुरमालिनी निरामया निरालम्बा स्वात्मा रामा सुधाश्रुतिः संसारपङ्कनिर्मग्न समुद्धरणपण्डिता यज्ञप्रिया यज्ञकर्त्री यजमानस्वरूपिणी धर्माधारा धनाध्यक्षा धनधान्यविवर्धिनी विप्रप्रिया विप्ररूपा विश्वभ्रमणकारिणी विश्वग्रासा विद्रुमाभा वैष्णवी विष्णुरूपिणी अयोनिर्योनिनिलया कूटस्था कुलरूपिणी वीरगोष्ठिप्रिया वीरा नैष्कर्म्यानादरूपिणी विज्ञानकलनाकल्या विदग्धा बैन्दवासना तत्त्वाधिका तत्त्वमयी तत्त्वमर्थस्वरूपिणी सामगानप्रिया सौम्या सदाशिवकुटुम्बिनी सव्यापसव्यमार्गस्था सर्वापद्विनिवारिणी स्वस्था स्वभावमधुरा धीरा धीरसमर्चिता चैतन्यार्घसमाराध्या चैतन्यकुसुमप्रिया सदोदिता सदा तुष्टा तरुणादित्यपाटला दक्षिणा दक्षिणाराध्या दरस्मेरमुखाम्बुजा कौलिनी केवलानर्घ्य कैवल्यपददायिनी स्तोत्रप्रिया स्तुतिमती श्रुति संस्तुतवैभवा मनस्विनी मानवती महेशी मङ्गलाकृतिः विश्वमाता जगद्धात्री विशालाक्षी विरागिणी प्रगल्भा परमोदारा परामोदा मनोमयी व्योमकेशी विमानस्था वज्रिणी वामकेश्वरी पञ्चयज्ञप्रिया पञ्चप्रेतमञ्चाधिशायिनी पञ्चमी पञ्चभूतेशी पञ्चसङ्ख्योपचारिणी शाश्वती शाश्वतैश्वर्या शर्मदा शम्भुमोहिनी धराधरसुता धन्या धर्मिणी धर्मवर्धिनी लोकातीता गुणातीता सर्वातीता शमात्मिका बन्धूककुसुमप्रख्या बाला लीला विनोदिनी सुमङ्गली सुखकरी सुवेशाढ्या सुवासिनी सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता शोभना शुद्धमानसा बिन्दुतर्पणसन्तुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा अनघाद्भूतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी. So while chanting Lalita Sahasranama, you can adopt Yoni Mudra, or this way it is done. So, as she loves, I don't know whether you can see this. This is Yoni Mudra. A little difficult to do this, but you can do this. Simple. With mudras, she also gets pleased. Right? So, this is Yoni Mudra. There are 10 mudras shown to her while doing her worship. अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वान्तीतरूपिणी अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिर्ज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी श्रीशिवा शिवशक्त्यैक्यरूपिणी ललिताम्बिका एवं श्रीललिता देव्या नाम्नां साहस्रकं जगुः इति श्रीब्रह्माण्डपुराणे उत्तरखण्डे श्रीहयग्रीव अगस्त्यसंवादे श्रीललितासहस्रनामस्तोत्रकथनं सम्पूर्णम्. So just close your eyes for a few minutes. Feel the effects of reciting, chanting, listening to her names, the divine names. Our whole being is reverberating, vibrating with her energy. Feel yourself, or you are her, radiating the light. Feel her beauty, auspiciousness, abundance in your being, in your life. You are and you will be guided, protected with her energy. So become absolutely fearless and live your life to the fullest. In this material life, how her energy manifests is in the form of Goddess Mahalakshmi. We are now going to seek the blessings of Goddess Mahalakshmi to have that beauty, abundance, auspiciousness, health, wealth, good relationships, and finally the refinement, evolving of our soul. Let our soul journey be fruitful, meaningful, so now I am going to start with Shri Suktam. I hope you are able to see this. Shri Sukta, can you see the screen, all of you? Just
Yes.
yeah, okay.
Yes.
Okay. So Shri Sukta, like Purusha Sukta, it comes in Rig Veda. If you know how to chant, you can chant or listen. Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarnarajatasrajam Chandram Hiranmayil Lakshmin Jatavedo Maavaha Tam Maavaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Vinde Yangamashvam Purushanaham Ashwapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastina Adaprabodhinim Shriyam Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devir Jushatam Kam Sosmitam Hiranya Prakaram Jwalantin Truptan Tarpayantim Padme Sthitam Padmavarnan Tamiho Pahvaye Shriyam Chandram Prabhasai Yashasa Jwalantim Shriyalloke Devajushtamudaram Tam Padminimim Sharanamaham Prapadye Lakshmir Me Nashyatan Tvam Vrune Adityavarne tapasodhijato vanaspatistava vrukshotha bilvaha Tasya phalaani tapasanudantu mayantarayascha bahya alakshmihi Upaituman deva sakhah kirtischa manina saha Pradurabhutosmi rashtresmin kirtim ruddhin dadatu me Kshutpipasamalan jeshtham nashayamyaham Abhutimasamruddhincha sarvan nirnudame gruhat Gandhadwaran duradharshan nityapushtan karishinim Ishwari gum sarvabhutanan tamiho pahvaye shriyam Manasah kamamakutim vachas satyamashīmahi Pashunam rupamannasya mai shri shrayatān yashaha Kardamena prajabhuta mai sambhava kardama Shriyam vasaya me kule mataram padmamalinim Apasrujantu snigdhani chiklitavasame gruhe Nicha devim mataram shriyam vasaya me kule Ardram pushkarinim pushtim pingalam padmamalinim Chandram hiranmayil lakshmin jatavedo maavaha Ardran yahkarinim yashtim suvarnam hemamalinim Suryam hiranmayil lakshmin jatavedo maavaha Tam maavaha jatavedo lakshmi manapagamini Yasyam hiranyam prabhutangavo dasyo shvaan vindeyam purushanaham Yashuchif prayato bhutva juhuya adajamanvaham Shriyaf panchadasharchancha shrikamas satatanjapeta. So this is the main part of Suktam. The following one is the Falashruti. Even the verse 16th is the Falashruti. So how goddess Lakshmi or Mahalakshmi is invoked is through the fire. What is Jata Veda? The whole sukta is talking about Avahana, Avaha, Jata Veda. So Jata Veda is the fire. Every deity get pleased with different things. Like Devi Upasana, if you want to invoke the Devi principle, she loves Havan. So Shri Sukta Havana can be done. Because only when you will do the fire sacrifice, then she is pleased. Wherever there is fire, wherever there is Vishnu, there is goddess. Okay? And now following is the Falashruti. The way I have learned, I will chant it. In between I will skip few verses because I haven't learned that from my Guru. पद्मानने पद्म ऊरु पद्माक्षी पद्मसंभवे त्वं मां भजस्व पद्माक्षी येन सौख्यं लभाम्यहम् अश्वदायी गोदायी धनदायी महाधने धनं मे जुषतां देवी सर्वकामांश्च देहि मे पुत्र पौत्र धनं धान्यं हस्त्यश्वादिगवेरथम् प्रजानां भवसि माता आयुष्मन्तं करोतु माम् धनमग्निर्धनं वायुर्धनं सूर्यो धनं वसुः धनमिन्द्रो बृहस्पतिर्वरुणं धनमश्नुते वैनते सोमं पिबतु वृत्रः सोमं धनस्य सोमिनो मह्यं ददातु सोमिनः न क्रोधो न च मात्सर्यं न लोभो नाशुभा मतिः भवन्ति कृतपुण्यानां भक्तानां श्रीसूक्तं जपेत् सदा. Now I will skip these two verses. या सा पद्मासनस्था विपुलकटितटी पद्मपत्रायताक्षी गम्भीरावर्तनाभिस्तनभरनमिता शुभ्रवस्त्रोत्तरीया लक्ष्मीर्दिव्यैर्गजेन्द्रैर्मणिगणखचितैः स्नापिता हेमकुम्भैः नित्यं सा पद्महस्ता मम वसतु गृहे सर्वमाङ्गल्ययुक्ता लक्ष्मीं क्षीरसमुद्रराजतनयां श्रीरङ्गधामेश्वरीं दासीभूतसमस्तदेववनिता लोकैकदीपाङ्कुराम् श्रीमन्मन्दकटाक्षलब्ध्वविभव ब्रह्मेन्द्रगङ्गाधराम् त्वां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बिनीं सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियाम् सिद्धलक्ष्मीर्मोक्षलक्ष्मीर्जयलक्ष्मी सरस्वती श्रीलक्ष्मीर्वरलक्ष्मीश्च प्रसन्ना मम सर्वदा वराङ्कुशौपाशमभीतिमुद्रां करैर्वर्हन्तीं कमलासनस्थां बालार्ककोटिप्रतिभां त्रिनेत्रां भजेऽहमाद्यां जगदीश्वरीं ताम् सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते सरसिजनिलये सरोजहस्ते धवलतरांशुकगन्धमाल्यशोभे भगवति हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे त्रिभुवनभूतिकरि प्रसीद मह्यम् विष्णुपत्नीं क्षमां देवीं माधवीं माधवप्रियाम् विष्णो प्रियसखीं देवीं नमाम्यच्युतवल्लभाम्. Now this is Lakshmi Gayatri mantra. महालक्ष्मीश्च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मीः प्रचोदयात्. श्रीर्वर्चस्य मायुष्यमारोग्यमाविधात् पवमानं महीयते धनं धान्यं पशुं बहुपुत्रलाभं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायुः. ऋणरोगादिदारिद्र्यपापक्षुदपमृत्यवः भयशोकमनस्तापा नश्यन्तु मम सर्वदा. Now directly this was ॐ महादेव्यै च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मीः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ तत्सत्. Now close your eyes. We have just invoked Goddess Lakshmi in our lives to manifest fully in all the aspects of our life, so that our life, the whole journey becomes smooth, without challenges, without sufferings, without problems, and full of awareness, consciousness. We live every moment with mindfulness. Feel that divine consciousness is manifesting in the Lakshmi form within you, within your house, in your life, in your surroundings. You are bowing down, surrendering to the lotus feet of Ma Lalita Tripura Sundari and Goddess Mahalakshmi. And receive all the blessings and grace, protection and guidance. And be the light, be the torch to guide others in your life. Now gently brush your palms, place them on your eyes, give a gentle massage all over your face and body, and with few blinks slowly open your eyes. So as a part of, because I am a yoga student, I am a sadhak. As I have said, how Devi is pleased through Havan. Similarly, how Lord Shiva is pleased by doing Abhisheka. Okay, so I am more than happy if you want to do any of these Shri Sukta Havans or Rudra Abhisheka, because I chant Shri Rudram, which is, I don't charge anything for that. So if you want to do in your house any of these, I would not say these are the religious rituals, but if you want to begin your spiritual journey, your sadhana, I am more than happy to come at your place and conduct these Shri Rudram chanting along with Rudrabhishek or Shri Sukta Havan. And this simplest form of Havan can be done at our place. It's not that big things we need to gather and spend a lot of money and time and your energy to get all the ingredients. In a very simple form we do these Havans. So that is what I want to convey, and whatever donations you want to do, that can be given to, as you all know that I am in a project of with my guru building the Dasha Mahavidya Center in Etawah. So all the donations will be going towards that project. All right. So apart from this, do you have any questions or want to share anything? And I would highly recommend to include these practices, weekly, like every Tuesday or Saturday. Every Saturday and Friday as well, because these are the Devi's day, and mainly Purnima Amavasya, at the Diwali time, Lakshmi Pujan or Durgashtami during Navratris, you can chant Lalita Sahasranam, Shri Suktam, and as our divine chant activity, what we are learning, all the stotras of Durga Saptashati, right? Not the actual patha of Durga Saptashati, but various stotras prior to that, because Durga Saptashati itself is a long scripture, 700 verses. It will take almost 3 to 4 hours to chant that. But if we don't know how to chant that, and if we don't have time to chant whole of Durga Saptashati, what we can chant is Durga Saptashloki, then 108 names of Durga. Then we are learning Argala Stotram, Keelakam, and many more we are going to learn. So that happens on every second Saturday of each month, the live sessions. So you're more than welcome to attend those sessions, learn these stotras and make part of your life. Start your journey and make sure that somewhere you are doing and nourishing your soul by chanting these stotras, and you're connecting, aligning yourself with the higher energy. All right. Anything? Any question? Yes, Dr. Vijay Dharwadkar ji, you can unmute yourself and ask. Or you can type in the chat box.
Can you hear me, Kitki?
Yes.
It's not my question, just I am in sharing my information regarding the Tripura Sundari. I read in one book that the image is so huge that she wears 2 earrings, and one is Himalaya and another is Meru Parvat. These are 2 very big mountains in the world. And these 2 are her earrings. That is so huge, we can imagine how big she is. Vishala Rupa.
Yes.
This has been given in Datta Bhargav Samvad book. I don't know whether you have come across it or not. Datta Bhargav Samvad. It is a very, very good philosophical book.
Yeah.
Whatever message has been given by Datta Guru to Sri Bhargavaram or Parshuram, that dialogue is there in that book. That's why the name of the book is Datta Bhargav Samvad.
Correct.
It is a very big book and worth having it in our library. you can
Sure,
have it.
sure,
It just
sure.
I wanted to share this information that we can't imagine this image
Yes.
having two earrings at Himalaya and Meru
Yeah.
Parvat.
Also, it is said
Oh,
sun and moon are her earrings.
yeah, that is also true.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice recitation. Very good. I'm really very happy
Thank
and
you.
very satisfied with your pronunciation. Thanks a lot.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. Anyone else? You can unmute yourself and ask if you want to ask anything. The next session, uh, just a minute, is happening on Ekadashi. And that day, we will be doing the 15th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. That is on 11th June. Okay? And Bhruguvalli. So we will be chanting Bhagavad Gita 15th chapter Purushottama Yoga and Bhruguvalli. So not necessarily you have to know these chants, but you're more than welcome to get introduced to these. The Bhruguvalli is a part of Taittiriya Upanishad. It is a Upanishadic Vedantic chanting, and we are meeting at 7 p.m. in the evening. It's Thursday, 11th June, which is Parama Ekadashi. And as I have told you, these Ekadashis only come in Adhika Masa, Padmini Ekadashi and Parama Ekadashi. They don't come every year, and that's why they are very, very important. They come every 3 years, right? So let's connect again on 11th June. And the last session of our Adhika Masa spiritual sadhana is on Sunday, 14th June, and that is Amavasya. And all the stotras what we are learning right now prior to Durga Saptashati, we will be chanting that. If you are attending these sessions, you must have learned them, and we will do it together, and also Durga Suktam. Okay, so 2 more sessions of this journey, and thank you for joining the session. And we will end with the Shanti Mantra. So close your eyes. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. So thank you, have a good day, and I will see you in our next session. Take care and bye bye.